Got me falling right back.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Samsung. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Me llamo Summer. Let me pull the head to the front to show you how I'm doing it. Hello. So I want to point out something. I've changed my channel name from Summer Belle to Summer Dion. Summer Dion. Dion. D''O''N. Summer Dion. Today I have a happy fall, y'all. First fall look of the year. OMG, fall is my favorite time. My nails match my lips. They're short though. I got short nails now, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave those below. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, like I said, comment them down below. But enjoy the video. So I'm gonna be doing a happy fall y'all tutorial. I do these every single year, I think so. And it's the beginning of fall. It's starting to not be super hot. You can go outside in a jacket and wear the jacket all day. Let's get into this tutorial. Bye bye. First things first, I really want to talk about something. I got my nails done today. I usually do a long set, but this is the shortest I have ever gotten my nails. The shortest ever. I want to do like a little classy look because like I'm getting older and stuff, and I want to be more like mature looking, more classy. But I'm gonna get started on this face, y'all. How have y'all been doing? I've been so tired lately. Things that I do now for my brows, I do a pencil. I mean, I always did a pencil, but now I rarely use my dip brow. I use the pencil majority of the time because I like a natural brow. Straight out, don't you fall. I do what I do with the dip brow, like do a line under or whatever. But this is my first time doing my new brow style on camera. Lately, I've been so busy. My birthday is coming up, and I have no idea what I want to do for it. Gosh, these run out so quickly. Like, they know what they're doing. Trying to get you to spend your money, honey. I'm not a dummy. I have a bad habit of doing that. Like rhyming, bad habit. Please tell me that looks good. I always take the Juvia's Place concealer to carve out my brows just because I like, I don't know, I just like my brows not to be as bright as they used to, like the underbrow concealer. And that concealer is pretty close to my shade. And I just, like I said, I only do the bottoms. I'm gonna carve out the bottom. Those are my brows. She looks so good to me. Always, guys, I use the NYX Bear With Me primer. I've been loving it lately, and it's just bomb. And you get so much for $17. It comes in this cute little container or whatever. Mine's practically empty, which means I need to go back to Ulta and max out my card. But anyways, this is the primer I love using. Use it because I said so. And work this in to my skin. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This has been my jam lately. I love this foundation. What I do, when I don't feel like getting my face, like my hands dirty, I just do a bunch of dots all over it like this. So a lot of drama has been happening when it comes to social media and people on there. So as y'all know, Lil Baby dates Amor Jada, also known as Jada Chavez. Is that how you say it? Chavez? I think it's Chavez. And recently on Twitter, she posted basically saying that because her boyfriend, Lil Baby, is a continuous cheater. So she said basically that she said they're young, he's not married, what do you expect him to do? Be loyal. Yes. A lot of the controversy on like Instagram and stuff, people have been like dragging her, talking about their opinion. A lot of people also support that opinion for some reason. I just don't understand. Like, I feel like, okay, I understand they have a baby and everything, but you should respect yourself more than being okay with the guy cheating on you just because y'all aren't married yet or y'all are young. Shouldn't you practice what you preach, like what you want in your marriage and what you want your spouse to do, your companion to do? You like walk that out as well. It is above me. It couldn't be me. Because I feel like if a man loves you, he's not gonna freaking publicly embarrass you, your name, your legacy. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Loose Powder to set. Using the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder in the shade GlowGetter. I'm going to use this to highlight my face. This color, this highlighter forever amazes me. If I ever put too much highlighter, use whatever powder brush you have and like go on top of it. It helps. So I'm going to be taking the Jackie Aina palette today. I'm going to be using this on my eyes. I literally love this palette so much. I've used it so many times when I go out. Just the shades have so much range in them. You got colors for like the day, the night, the evening. Evening and night are the same thing. Taking edges on a fluffy brush and going in my, let's go, crease. I'm doing like a rounded technique today, guys, because I just want to do like a rounded, pretty look. I'm also taking ginger right now on a different brush, and I'm warming up this crease again. Those colors look I'm doing. So I'm using Zam. I'm using a kind of fluffy braiding brush because I don't want it to be super packed in and pigmented, but I do want it to be like Ourfa. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. Okay, so after I did my eyes with that lid color, I am going to be taking liner, of course, like I always do, and just line the top of my lid. And this is a technique I really want y'all to practice when you're putting on lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be putting them in the description box below. They're kind of hard to find and it's just hard to explain. So I'm gonna put a link to them below, okay? While those get tacky, I'm going to put on some mascara to prep my lashes for lashes. They're so little, but they're there, I promise. I'm using my nude waterline pencil. And this is like my favorite thing to do. I'm gonna be taking some of the colors that I use in my crease and put them on my waterline. All there's left to do is my lashes on the bottom lashes. And then I'm taking Soleil and putting that in my inner tear duct. There we go. Lining my lips with the Morphe and Ourfa Zinali collab. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Oxbloode liquid lipstick in the shade Oxbloode is the new black. I think that's the color. That is the end of the look, guys. I'm just going to be right back. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look for my happy fall, y'all. Look. Do you like it, Juicy? So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Sum, and I'm so happy that you came and watched me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.